Hey, this is JB here, just coming back. Had a little bit of a bug that I'm just getting over. Monday, January 8th, 2018 for Drum and Energy Bands. Today, we said above 33, we would pop to 47.5. Now, in the room, we had quite a few trades. Now, I kind of messed up today. I didn't hit the record button, so when I set the replay out, it didn't have any footage. So I apologize. We'll sort that out. Coming into tomorrow. Now, when we opened the room, we were talking about the move that was taking place here. When we got up here, we were talking about the move that was about to go down and how that would transpire. We talked when we come down here. You can see, if you're brand new, just learning about our system, you can see these arrows up here. These are all up arrows. And that means, on this close, we're suggesting the market is exhausting here, and we talk about in our room how this plays out. Now, we're going to talk a little bit more about this in a little bit here with some definition. And we talked about an opportunity here to get on with bears. We pulled down. You can see another one of these up arrows here on the right chart, how we bounced. And then we said another opportunity would down here. Very specific, though, that certain things had to take place. Now, if you're somebody that's brand new to this whole geometry concept, I want to just alert you to a couple of things and see if you can relate to what I'm about to say. Like, for example, when the market was going, let's go back here. When the market was going up here, for example, now I had called a bearish scenario. This is on the cash open. Now, when you look at this thing, I want you to keep your eye on a couple of things. I want you to keep your eye on this green line right here and this green line over here. Now that's the top of what we call our airbag. Now, when price goes up like this, what's going on? Well, this airbag here is static. In other words, this close here, we know everything out here before the bar trades, and it doesn't move. So we're noticing that this green thing here is pushing up through this green line. So we would expect that we're going to get a strong number, which we do for the next bar, and we're going to close above this airbag. So that's pushing up. Although we do note that we've got a wall here. Now, there's distribution that takes place, and we close inside this airbag when this airbag is trying to push up through the left chart's upper airbag. And then consequently, the wall holds, the number gets weaker, and you can see this little center white thing moves above the top of the airbag. It's what we call a bubble trade. And the market, falls down. So this is a bubble, Anyway, Drummond wrote a paper back, I guess in the 90s, called Association of Awareness. And with the simplification of the airbags in the center, we can actually track and be aware of this association, these green things. And when we combine that with our trading, the opportunities go way, way up. It's like, for example, there's the green line, the airbag. It's pushing down through it. Notice how we're closing. We're holding the center here, and the market goes up. That's the reason why I opened the room saying the market was going to go up. In closing, the programmer and I are still sorting a couple of things out, and hopefully we'll be rolling this out sometime this week. Thank you for your interest, and I hope you enjoyed your weekend and your trading day.